how to do sandwich method when applying tretinoin. So if you're scared of using tretinoin on your skin because it's a strong active, this is a great way you can use tretinoin on your skin to avoid the irritation and also the dryness. This is a step-by-step routine on how you should apply your tretinoin on your skin. So if you are new to tretinoin or you're scared of using tretinoin, watch this video. So the first thing to do when using tretinoin is to wash your face with a non-foaming gentle cleanser. And after that, you are going to pat your skin dry. You can use a towel or just air dry it and then leave your face to air dry. And then you then go in with a moisturizer. When I mean a moisturizer, I mean a moisturizer that contains ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Yes, you'll be using a moisturizer that does not contain vitamin C or any active ingredient that should be in your moisturizer should be either niacinamide, ceramide, hyaluronic acid, or gentle patenon or other gentle ingredients in the moisturizer. This acts as a buffer between your skin and to reduce the tretinoin irritation. So after applying a thin layer of the moisturizer on your skin, you're going to allow your skin to dry down for 5 to 10 minutes before going in with the next step. So the next step to do is to take your tretinoin, apply a pea-sized amount on your whole face. So make sure you apply a pea-sized amount on your whole face, and then you just dot it and apply it on your forehead, your neck. Make sure you avoid your nose area and your mouth area, and then you leave it for 5 to 10 minutes to absorb before you go in with your next step. So the next step for you to do is to apply another thin layer of a good moisturizer. When I mean a good moisturizer, I mean a moisturizer that contains ceramide. So you just apply it on your skin and then you're good to go. This is a sandwich method, and this method is going to help you avoid irritation and also the dryness that comes with tretinoin. So if you like this video, kindly share this video to people that are scared of using tretinoin or are scared of irritation. Bye guys.